Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we have an exciting topic that all vacuum cleaner users should know about: vacuum belt replacement for optimal performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of vacuum maintenance and show you how to keep your vacuum running at its best. So, let's get started. Please check the description link. I will provide detailed information. Importance of regular belt replacement. Your vacuum belt plays a crucial role in its performance. Over time, it can stretch, wear out, or even break. Regularly replacing the vacuum belt ensures that your cleaner maintains optimal suction power and efficiently picks up dirt and debris. So, how often should you replace it? Let's find out. Signs that indicate belt replacement. To determine if it's time to replace your vacuum belt, keep an eye out for these signs. First, check if the brush roll is not spinning or if there's a noticeable reduction in suction power. These are common indicators of a worn-out belt. Additionally, inspect the belt for any signs of cracking, fraying, or stretching. If you notice any of these signs, it's time for a replacement. Step-by-step belt replacement guide. Replacing your vacuum belt is easier than you might think. Let's go through a simple step-by-step process. Firstly, gather the necessary tools: a new belt compatible with your vacuum model and a screwdriver. Next, locate the belt cover, usually on the bottom of the vacuum. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws and open the cover. Carefully remove the old belt from the brush roll and motor spindle. Now, place the new belt on the brush roll and loop it around the motor spindle. Finally, close the belt cover and secure it with the screws. Voila! Your vacuum is now equipped with a fresh belt. Tips to prolong vacuum belt lifespan. To make the most out of your vacuum belt and extend its lifespan, here are some helpful tips. Firstly, avoid vacuuming large objects or substances that can damage the belt, such as sharp debris or liquids. Regularly clean the brush roll to prevent entanglement and excessive strain on the belt. Also, check and clean the vacuum's filters regularly, as clogged filters can strain the belt and reduce performance. Lastly, store your vacuum properly to prevent the belt from becoming stretched or deformed. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.